We can't predict the future, but we know one thing. Change is coming. Future-focused leaders make change a core capability. The challenge of leading teams through change is essential, but several barriers make it hard to do so. Unclear vision, disengaged people, siloed processes, broken or outdated tools, and perhaps few systems or skills to activate change. These are all major hurdles for people and organizations. XPLANE leads the world at accelerating change through people, and we have a unique approach rooted in design and the emerging needs of the modern organization. Traditional change management techniques emphasize hierarchy and passive communication. These efforts to manage change fall short because organizations are seen as machines, hierarchical and passive. Organizations aren't machines, they're organic, made up of humans. They can't be programmed like a machine. They must be transformed from within, changing mindsets, behaviors, and ways of working. Viewing the organization as an organic system of connected people, XPLANE co-creates programs with you that target human behaviors, wants, and needs, supported by visual communications, learning tools, and experiences that create alignment and deliver results. We also consider the entire organization, helping teams see that the change needed in one facet of their organization will have ripple effects on several other facets. Combining the rigor of traditional management consulting with the innovation of a design firm, XPLANE provides a holistic approach that speaks to the heads and hearts of your organization, delivering better, faster results. Since 1993, XPLANE has partnered with over a quarter of the Fortune 500, government and nonprofit organizations large and small to help navigate transformational change programs. We work anywhere, connecting remotely or in person to help people move from hearing to believing to living change. We thrive on this work. Leading positive change runs through our DNA. It's why we're here. So how can we help create your next transformation and move your team to action? Let's talk about how we can create a new future together.